Coulda, give me one.
New one?
Yeah.
She doesn't like the food.
Yes, this is like that.
Maybe
Her
it's
neck,
just
like her neck.
breast milk for now.
Yeah.
Because when she was doing the
Right
breast...
there, her neck. Right there.
Oh. What's wrong? You don't like the milk?
Right there, see that? Right there, another one. Right under her chin. Right under her neck, there you go. There, good.
Because when she drank the breast milk, she liked it.
She didn't throw it up, huh?
Maybe it's just that milk. Maybe too thick for her.
Probably.
Did they make that or it's already pre-made?
That's pre-made.
Pre-made. It's pretty thick though.
So you give her one. Oh, madakaw kasi. You're like daddy. You eat till you can throw up, huh? Oh.
Burp.